Good morning, students. This is Amuthan, SNS College of Arts and Science, Computer Technology Department. Now I'm going to deliver about the OSI model, Open Standard Interconnection Model, Introduction to Network Layers. It's a network layer model. This video about OSI model, Open Source Interconnection Model, Open Source Interconnection Model. Introduction to OSI model. OSI model network that standardize the functions of a telecommunication or computing system. It divides the networking into 7 layers, each with specific responsibility. Understanding these layers is crucial for troubleshooting and designing network efficiency. If you want to design a network, means the 7 base layer is very important. What are the 7 base layer? Physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, then application layer. The first one is a physical layer, deals with the hardware aspects of networking. It's a hardware aspects of networking. It includes cable switches and the electric signals that transmit the data. That means zeros and ones, raw data. And the electrical signals that transmit the data. Understanding this layer is essential for the ensuring proper connectivity, ensuring proper connectivity and connecting the data transmit over the physical mediums. So the physical medium is physical layer, or physical layer is transmitting the raw data. That means binary data, zeros and ones. Next one is data link layer. The data link layer node data transfer and handles error correction from this layer is responsible for the physical layer addressing. The physical layers directly deal with data link layer addressing and controlling access to the physical medium. Physical medium, that means we in which through which device we can transmit the data, that is called the physical medium, ensuring reliable communication between the device. So it's responsible for it is addressing for the physical layer, data link layer is, then it's transfer and handles error correction from this layer. Responsibility is from the physical layer. This layer is responsibility addressing and controlling the access. This handles error correction from the physical layer. The next one is the network layer. The network layer data routing. It is control for data routing. It is responsible for data routing, forwarding and addressing. Data forwarding and addressing. It determines the best path of data to travel across the network. The shortest path. Which is the shortest path? Which path we can reach the destination from source to destination determines the path for the data to travel access networks. Protocols like operate at this layer, making it vital for internet or communication. Then transport layer. The transport layer data is will data transfer and error recovery. It means flow control and segmentation of the data into smaller. So in transport layer, packets protocols such as TCP, UDP. Okay, use a datagram packet and transfer control protocol. The two types of protocol, the packets, transfer layer, it's the flow control and segmentation of the data. What is the segmentation? The data can be divided into segmentation and it can be passed in two protocols, that is TCP and UDP from here, providing reliability of speed as needed. So next three layers, next layer is session layer. It controls the session expiry and all. Next layer is session layer, and then application layer, presentation layer. Presentation layer is how the data are present, how the data can connect, congestion control. These are covered by this layer. So the importance of the OSI layer, it concludes the understanding how different network components interact. Each layer plays a specific role in ensuring efficiency communications. Familiarity with these layers enhance network management and troubleshooting skills. Students, so the OSI model, there is a 7 layers. physical layer, data link layer, network layer, and transport layer, presentation layer, session layer, and last one is application layer. Application layer is fully HTTP, and it is protocols. It's based on the protocol, how the protocol can be how the protocols can be configured in this area. So these are very useful for network management and troubleshooting skills. Next day we will see next topic, that means all the layers one by one in the next class. Thank you very much.